Okay, so here it is. It's black on black, but you can check. This is what it looks like. I could probably use this already, but as you see in my costume, it's light, so that's why I got this. Maybe I'll paint it to the close color so you don't really see it that bad. Or maybe use fabric and just kind of sew a lot, like make a tube, try and cover it. But see, this is what it looks like. I might cut this part off some because she has like something right here. It's almost like, I don't know how to explain. But if you've seen Taomon, you know what I'm talking about because the little armor thing, there's like that. So maybe I'll put something there just to cover this part up. Um, but no, yeah. So I might paint this or something. So anyways, it's time to start this. So what you use is a X-Acto knife. Be careful because they're very sharp. If you don't feel comfortable with that, you can use some scissors. Any kind of scissors. So one or two, don't matter. Okay, so there's my cutout. What it used to look like, what I did. This is it now. So here is it now in paper and glue with water. Bye. There. Slowly doing one side at a time. As you can hear it. Here's the other side. Hi. So okay, here's my pads, shoulder pads. Just like paper mache, just making it hearts on it so it's still drying. You can probably use foam, but this is all I have lying around. Hello, and this is what it looks like when it's all covered in the paper with glue and water, so paper mache. As you can see, I did the foam as well, so it can stick better. While that's drying, it was like this to now that. As you can see, I marked on this one where I'm going to cut it so it can sit better. And here is my little things. As you can, I'm using tape to hold them the shape. So once that's kind of good, I'm going to put them on the edge here. So I made little slits for this part. And then I'm going to put this in like this. And that's what I'm doing. Again, you can use like foam or fabric or whatever you feel like you're comfortable with. For me, this is my motive and what I know. Everybody's different. And then once this is done with this, I'm going to paint it and put symbols on it. And then I am going to attach like little Velcro or something so it can be sturdy. Like when I put it on my shoulder. I guess I'll show you once I get more into this. So what I did was cut this in half. Before it was one whole one like that. Cut it in the middle. Use tape to make it like this. And then it will go on to this part here. Soon after tracing this out, once I cut this off, this will sit like that. I'll show you more after. Okay, so I cut the pieces off, and I kind of cut some of the ends off so I can go. Let's see. And so I'm going to use this ends to trace right this area. But first I'm going to cut some of the edges around here off some, just a little trim because it's too bulky. Do this to both sides. So have it like that and traced around it. Trying. Trying to do this with one hand is kind of hard. There, have it traced out like that. And then once I cut this out, I'm going to do a little slit right there so I can fold better. And then I'm just going to tape it up because I don't have like heat guns and candle stuff like that. So, yeah. So I cut them out and I made the slit on both of them. I also rounded off the edges so it won't be pointy, but just enough. I trimmed out some of the excess from around, from in here, on both of them. So then I just tape it and wait. As you can see, some of it's still kind of bulky, but I can cut it off after, once it takes its shape. As you can see, this one's more squishy than this one. So long as this one. I just use regular tape to hold those in place. Let them sit for, I don't know, a couple of days, like 3, 2 maybe, it depends. Okay, onto the other base part. As you can see, that stuff on it still from my cutting. Anyway, you can see that I put some glue on it just so it has something to stick on, like this. But first, what I'm going to do is cut some slits, like right there, so I can put my elastic band that came with this onto it. So yeah, my first plan was going to use these, but then it's like, it's going to get in the way. So yeah, just like these ones here. So I'm using an X-Acto knife, so you gotta be careful. I did this on the 4th line, and then put the band in. So it's okay if it looks like this. It's alright. Cause I'm gonna paper mache it after. I'm gonna glue it together, let it sit, then put more glue on it, and then paper mache it. So you have something that looks like this. See, like that. I put a coat of glue on it just so everything will stick together just fine, and then I can paint on it after. So yeah, something that looks like this. So what I did now is put pins in it, try and stick it down much as I could. And then once it dries, and put glue on it again, layer it. 3 or 4 coats maybe of glue just so it can hold it in place, and then paper mache it with some tape, then paper mache again. So I've painted my shoulder piece gold, silver. Just waiting for one side to dry. Here's the other one I'm gonna work on soon. I had to cut some of this off some, and I shaved down this part. This part had the elastic on, but I took that off. I'm going to go with a different approach on attaching it onto my shoulder. So I'll show you more once this part is almost completed-ish, I guess. Hello there, and here is my shoulder pad. As you can see, I totally went a different direction. This is much better than how I had before. This is foam that I just traced the shape I want and cut it out. There's the bottom. I am currently now working on the designs for it. So, yeah. I like this one so much better. They don't as stiff, I guess to say. So yeah. Yeah. I'm going to have this is the outer part, the in part for the shoulder. Thinking of putting Velcro or snap, something like that. To hide this part. And it moves nicely, so everything's great. I love it. I'm working on this. This is a big update. It surprised me. So yeah, these are Taomon shoulders. Sorry for the bad quality as the lighting is neutral how it is. But this is what it looks like. I don't have it on, just on my arm or holding up for now. This is what it looks like. So when I move my arm, this moves too, so it won't be like limited space for when I move the first time. But yeah. And get right in there. So it's going good. I like this version better than my first one. Hello, Siobhan here, and I got these commissioned a while back. The commissioner is from Facebook group. Her name is Lola's Commission How. I love these so much. It's so cute and they fit well. Very excellent. They fit nice. I can walk in them. I had to mark down what side was what because she didn't, but that's okay. I paid 108, 108, yeah. 80, I should say, 180. It's very nice, it's very cute, I love them. So these are Taomon's feet. So cool and so cute.